Hi there, my name is Randy Jenny and this is a short video to help you out with Grader 4. I'm going to start at step 2, freeze pane so that the first 5 rows will remain static. So I'm going to click on A6, go to the View tab, and click on Freeze Panes. So it'll hold the titles on screen even if I scroll down the page. Step 3, convert the data to a table. So I'm going to click anywhere in the data. I'm going to go to Insert, click on Table. It understands the size of the table and the fact that it has headers, so I just click OK. Next step is to remove the duplicates. So I can click anywhere in the table and I click on Remove Duplicates. It uses all the fields to determine if a record is a duplicate of another. So click OK. It found 3 duplicates and it removed them. Step 5, add a new column to the table named duration. So if I click in cell I5 and type in duration, it actually understands that that's part of the table now. Now I need to create a formula in this cell with structured references. So if you use the good practice that we've talked about in other videos, of pointing and clicking when you create cell formulas, that'll serve you really well. So I'm going to do equals date resolved, so that would be that cell, minus date created. You'll notice that it doesn't refer to the cells as H5 and B5, so that's what's meant by a structured formula. Press enter and it fills all of those values down. Next step is to insert a total row. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see how this plays out. So if I click on the Table tab and click on Total Row, it will add a new row on here, and it by default totals up duration. So it has summed that up for us. But we're going to add a couple of other items here. So you could, for example, total up other values. You could get averages. You could get a count of how many records there were, for example. So we could use count, and it would say, well, there are 83 items in that list. Okay, I want to sort the table by agent name in alphabetical order. So I'm going to go to Data, to Sort. Brings up a dialog box here. So I want to sort by agent name in alphabetical order. And then I want to add a second level sort, so I'm going to hit plus. And the second level sort is by description, also in alphabetical order. And a third level sort by duration, smallest to largest. So duration, but this time, yep, smallest to largest, so I think I'm good to go. And click OK. And now that it's a table, I can also do some filtering. So step 10, filter the table to only display closed incidences. So, or incidents. I can click on this little flip down menu. I can turn everything off and then turn on closed, and I will only get the closed items in my list. And that's it. Thanks for watching.